In this video, I'll show you how people attempt to withdraw money from BG Wealth Sharing using the DSJEX.cc website on a mobile phone. This explanation is for beginners, so I'll go slowly and clearly through each step. First, unlock your phone and open your web browser, such as Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type DSJEX.cc and press enter. Wait for the website to fully load. Make sure the spelling is correct so you don't open a fake site. On the home page, tap on the login button. Enter your registered mobile number or email along with your password, then press sign in. After logging in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can see your balance and account details. Now look for the withdraw or withdrawal option. This is usually found in sections like wallet, assets, or funds. Tap on it to open the withdrawal page. On the withdrawal screen, you may first need to choose the currency. Many platforms like this use cryptocurrency such as USDT, BTC, or ETH. Select the same currency that your balance is stored in. Next, enter the withdrawal amount. Type the amount you want to take out. Make sure it meets the platform's minimum withdrawal limit, which is often shown on the screen. After that, you must enter a wallet address. This is very important. Open your crypto wallet app, copy your wallet address carefully, and paste it into the address box on DSJEX.cc. Double-check every character because crypto transactions cannot be reversed if sent to the wrong address. Some platforms will also ask you to choose a network, such as TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT. Make sure the network matches the one your wallet supports. Once all details are entered, tap Submit, Confirm, or Withdraw Now. You may receive a verification code by SMS or email. Enter that code in the confirmation box. After submission, the withdrawal request usually shows as pending or processing. You then have to wait for the platform to process it and for the blockchain network to confirm the transaction. It is very important to be cautious at this stage. Some users report being asked to pay extra fees, tax, or account upgrade charges before funds are released. Legitimate platforms normally deduct fees directly from your balance instead of asking for separate payments. Be careful about sending additional money. Finally, check your crypto wallet after some time to see if the funds have arrived. Processing time can range from minutes to hours depending on the network. That's the general process users follow to attempt a withdrawal on mobile. Always research any platform carefully and understand the risks before depositing or withdrawing funds. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any simple step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.